Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys this really simple and easy Valentine's Day makeup look in which I used full face Maybelline products. So let's start. First, let's start with primer. I used Maybelline Baby Skin Silicone Primer, which is really perfect in filling in those visible pores. Next is, I'll be using this Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 220 or Natural Beige. I'll apply it first using my fingers and then spread it out using a blending sponge. To set my eyelids, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation in the shade 310 or Sun Beige. I'll be putting it all over my lid to set everything before I put any eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Maybelline Total Temptation Shadow Plus Highlight Palette. First is, I'm going to use this brown shade to create my shadow base. I'm going to put it all over my inner lid as close to my lash line as possible. I gotta make sure that its edges are well blended. Next is, I'm going to use this matte black shade and put it as close to my lash line as possible to intensify our look. As usual, I always blend out the edges. After that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon pen in the shade dark brown to fill in the sparse areas, and I'll also use it to create a wing. I'll go over the wing with a black eyeshadow to soften the look. Now I'll just curl my lashes. Next is, I'll apply some false lashes to make my eyes look bigger and fuller. Then, with that light gold undertone shimmer from the palette, I'll highlight my tear ducts. Now let's move to blush. I'll be using the Bare It All shade from the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Mattes as a blush, since this product is like a lip tint and can be used as an eyeshadow, blush, or lip tint. I love this shade so much because it has that flattering orange-brown tone that's perfect for that morena glow. Then I used my blending sponge to soften the edges of my applied blush. Next, to set those oily parts of my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation in the shade 310 or Sun Beige. After that, I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 or Molten Gold. Now down to my favorite part, lippies. I'll be swatching all the beautiful shades from the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, the Nudes collection. They have 6 morena flattering shades that looks really fresh and are specially created to match and complement morena skin tone. You can choose whatever shade you want that can match your personality and vibe, so here they are. The first shade is Strip It Off. Strip It Off has that radiant orange nude undertone that is almost peachy. This shade is perfect on days you want to add a nude but a little pop of color on your look. It is also a plus that this lip tint's consistency is really buildable and you can work with the colors at however you want them to appear, gradient or full coverage. Second is Bare Temptations. Bare Temptations has that nude pink with a mauve undertone, which makes it really clean looking. This is the type of nude shade that can give you that literally your lips, but just better. Especially for morena girls because of our warm skin tone. Bare It All. Bare It All has that same vibe as Strip It Off, except that it has that pink nudish look and lighter in terms of shade on your lips. This is the perfect peach nude color that makes your makeup look fresh looking. And this is also super perfect for an everyday errand or date. Fourth is Nude Shot. This is one of my fave out of all the shades in this collection. This is the fine line between pale nude, model lip stains, and just the perfect hint of healthy pink shade. Just the much needed additional detail on your overall makeup that is not too much. This is the kind of lipstick that I would wear on a first date. Fifth shade is Barely Legal. Barely Legal has that strong pink undertone but still has that nude shade. If you're a morena beauty, it's really hard to find a pink shade that won't make you look haggard. This breaks that rule. This is the perfect pink shade for your everyday makeup. Our sixth and last shade is Get Undressed. Get Undressed is my next fave. This is the kind of nude that I would go for if I will be going on a night out with friends or a date night when I feel like reds would overpower my overall makeup. It has that perfect dark mauve and pink mix that makes it look put together and dominant. All these lip products have this consistent formula. They are like this hybrid of matte liquid lipstick and a lip tint in one. They are buttery but really matte but not drying once settled. I love all the shades included here, but my most fave, as I've said, is Nude Shot and Get Undressed because it flatters my really low-key but confident self. How about you? What did you like the most? I hope you guys love this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos and follow me on my social media accounts if you like me. Thank you and have a great Valentine's Day. I love you. Bye!